This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about serving spatulas, specifically these CaterTech plastic cake servers. They are a 10-inch long by 2-inch wide serving spatula, and you have the option of either clear or black plastic. The plastic these are made from is recyclable, making them a nice eco-friendly touch for a disposable cake server. They feature a serrated edge on one side and a smooth one on the other, along with a nice offset handle, making it easy and comfortable grip when you're slicing or dishing. They're made of really strong plastic and can be used to serve a variety of different goods. Think cakes, pies, tarts, and even savory dishes. They're designed to be disposable, but they're sturdy enough to be reused. And if you're planning on reusing them, it's recommended that you hand wash these items between uses. So these are perfect for bakeries, caterers, restaurants, hotels, or for use when entertaining at home.